Hey everyone, I'm here showing you a really cool little thing I got from Amazon today. It's like this really cool gaming keyboard that I recently bought, but I'm absolutely in love with this thing because not only how like cool it is, but it's like the way it sounds, how it's like real compact and like meant to kind of like be taken everywhere. But yeah, let me show you, go ahead and show you guys how it works. For starters, I'm going to show you the lights and stuff. It's just got like a simple USB port. You ain't got to worry about like any other like weird little extensions. It just goes straight into your computer. And then watch this, how it just like goes like, I'm absolutely in love with it. That is so cool. It's got like 6 different colors. It goes from like purple all the way to red. And it just looks neat. You feel cool, honestly, while typing on it. It's got like really like nice like clickety-clackety like keys that I'm like in love with. It makes me feel like I'm at like an old like library, but yet I can just like, it's got like punch to it. As you can see, as I'm typing, it'll like do all kinds of cool little effects. It's really neat. Like, I'm absolutely in love with this thing. All the numbers and letters and all this stuff got like a really cool design. It's got like on the back here, it's got these little grippies to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. You can deploy these if you want to give it like yourself like a little like incline, which I like to do every once in a while if like I'm typing like a long like essay. It's good to just like have that. But yeah, really cool little sleek design. You can take it like anywhere. It's very light, but also really durable. Like, you don't gotta worry about it like getting banged up. Yeah, super cool. I highly recommend checking this one out on Amazon.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.